Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to place a link image in Illustrator. Now, other than creating your own text and basic shapes and drawings and other things, there would come a time in your workflow inevitably that you have to place an image that is linked with some other application or your network. If you are working in a team environment, then someone else must be also working on it. Placing a linked image or a link of any image or document in your Illustrator is a great way of working with files because it does not even increase your file or document size, and it only you can work on it and it will be still placed in the original place where it resides. A link is only established between the two. Only the file size count when you have to save it in a different format, or you have to make another copy, or you have to of course print it. In those scenarios, then it does count. So to place an image, go to file. Okay, this is I'm on Windows. The option might be somewhere else in these menus on the Mac, but you can find it. Its name is place, and the keyboard shortcut for it is Shift Control P. You click it, and I'm gonna bring this PSD file, which means short Photoshop document, and it gives you the option to bring it as template, replace, or show import option. I want to place it as a link, but I just want to establish a link. I don't want to disturb the original file or bring the original file into Illustrator. So I'm gonna choose the link option, place it. Then it gives me the option that how much area that I want to give it, because the file itself is very large. So I'm gonna specify maybe this much area, and I'm gonna little bit place it around here like this. As you can see, it is now been placed. It's a document or I have written text and stuff. Resolution is a problem because I told you the file was very high resolution and it was very big, and it is reduced its file size in here, so that can be I'll fix later on. We are to learn or look into that, how to deal with it. At the moment I just want to show you that this is indeed a link file. So for that reason, if I go to Photoshop now, and here it is my original document and which is linked to it, and if I select this text now, if I want to change it, say forget the font, I just want to change its color. Okay, maybe make it blue, dark blue, like so, and then I go to file and click save, and it is saved. And now if I go to Adobe Illustrator, okay, it's going to take a little bit of time. Yes, it is now done it. Okay, now it is asking me that some files are missing or modified of the link panel. Would you like to update that this original file has been modified or it has been missing? Do I want to update the image? For which I am going to click yes, and as you can see, I change its color here in Photoshop, and that shows here in the Adobe Illustrator also. So that means that this file is not actually presented at the moment in Adobe Illustrator, but it is present in our Photoshop, and it is just establish a link with it. I can work on it, modify it, save another copy of it, but it's still there and it's not using any of more of my memory. Okay, so that's how you place a linked image. Go to file, place it, or click Shift Control plus B. So guys, I think you have learned this technique by now, and I take my leave from you guys and hoping that you enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.